वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखेंगे डाटा रिकवरी का ट्रेनिंग सेशंस और उसमें हमने अभी सीगेट का देखा, WD सीगेट। तो सीगेट की क्लास में हमने ऑलरेडी टर्मिनल मॉड्यूल अपलोड करना ये सबको ऑलरेडी स्टडी कर दिया, MRT को स्टडी कर दिया। ये लास्ट टॉपिक है हमारा, इसको बोलते हैं केस स्टडी। इसमें शॉर्ट डिटेल में समझाया हुआ है। शॉर्ट डिटेल ऑलरेडी जिसने ये सीगेट का कोर्स करा उनके लिए ये चैप्टर्स हैं। तो अंडरस्टैंड द शॉर्ट टर्म अबाउट व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट आर द common symptoms of problems. So this is common problem of Seagate hard disk. After connecting hard disk in the firmware repair tools, maybe PC3000, MRT, DFL, depend on that, you can connect here and you can check the problems. So when we connect in the hard disk, the power on light, busy light, DRD, DSC, you can identify the problems. So we will identify the different problems. The short detail about the Seagate hard disk common case study. If power LED not shown, not on, when we power on but it is not on, or DRD DSC not com, busy light not blink, means what? No power LED shown. That it means the sorting in the PCB. We have to check TVS diode, capacitor and see in the power section. PCB may not okay, MCU or SATA not working. SMI initial error in terminal, it will give the error like that. Bad PCB, ROM program change or not okay. Sometime when ROM program is also not there, then also it will be not power on. So read ROM, check with the serial number like that. So you can repair the, if no power LED, then maybe PCB problems or ROM problems. Sometime what happen, all the power LED blinks continues. Then in this condition we just connect only PCB and check, maybe PCB short or disconnect. Sometime continuous busy LED blink, means backside some process is going on. Busy LED blink means there is a backward there is some process is going on and no DRD DSC come. Here you can see when any process is going on it will be busy, no DRD DSC come, because in the background it's running process. You can check here, the process is running, so it is a busy. So this is your busy problems. If there is a busy, after power on again it is busy, we have to short pin and get the terminal. There we have already shown you the short pin. What is a short pin in Seagate hard disk? We have to sort two pin, that is a RX pin. You have to find the RX path and sort the pin. When we short the pin and busy become DRD DSC, means there is a service area access problem, then we repair, then again we start, then there will be no busy. 3 easy step. There is a old model, we have already explained you 3 easy step. We saw the practical and case study also. That is a smart clear, clear GLIS and translate rebuild. Sometimes this error come, diagnose error also come in the terminal, or PCB ROM not okay, then also terminal will not come. It shows busy. Okay. Sometime when we work something, it no terminal windows come. It's hanging somewhere. In that condition we have to sort the PCB to sort pin to get the terminal. Same thing we have to do this same process here. Sort PCB. Sort PCB means sort pin of the PCB and get the terminal, or put the paper on head contacts, remove PCB from the hard disk and give the power to PCB. Just only connect the PCB and check. Or another option is a 3 easy step old models. This for no terminal windows come. Sometime new hard disk, that is an LM, DM, VM, NM, this series hard disk, they have a terminal lock. Terminal lock means no command will accept, no terminal command work. In this condition we have to unlock the ROM, then run the action command, then we can run any of the firmware commands. So that is a no terminal command, that is a port lock. In a hard disk it shows 0 MB shows or no model shows in model number. Then first step is 3 easy. Old model, smart, clear GLIS. Module upload, and if then also not work, then we have to load module upload, means LDR upload, or SMR unlock ROM, then backup firmware repair. If new hard disk SMR drives, then we have to backup the firmware. If hard disk on the model name it shows 3.86 or 128 GB, that is a fake readiness, or in device manager it shows 3.86 or 128 GB. Then we have to give the power and listen the voice. If there is any clicking voice, yes, clicking voice coming, and motor spin down, normally head damage. Terminal command will show servo error. This type of error it will show. See, it continues running recover servers. This is another problem. But after 3 times, 5 times or 7 times its display and motor stop, but it is continuous, motor is continuous running, means any particular head damage. So after clicking 2, 3, 7, 11 motor spin down, that is a terminal, that is servo. After clicking motor continues spin up. Small clicking and motor continues spin up may firmware damage or particular head damage. This is our case. What it shows me error like this. When I check the head resistance, 0, 1, 2 is okay and third has an error. You can see head test. And it give me continuous fail servo error like that. It gives continuous running. So this is the signals about head damage. Particular head damage. This is whole head damage and this is particular head damage. Or sometime ROM problem also, it will show 3.86 or 128 GB. Particular head damage to show, or sometime ROM problem also there. ROM to update and check. ROM problem also there. That was also sometime it said 3.86, but this is less. More problems are this 3.86 or 128 GB. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 times clicking sound and motor step down, servo motor. This is also head damage issues. Then LM Rosewood hard disk -1 shown in the model number, that is an head damage. -1 if it is showing means maybe head damage, head may not get a proper voltage or wrong ROM or PCB. So first if we have a PCB, we have to replace the PCB by swapping a ROM, then we will check. If not happen, then we will replace the head. Hard disk detect DRDDation shown but not work. That may be a module corrupted, repair upgrade module, system file corrupted, upload corrupted system file like that. So this is also one condition. Another condition is SIM error. When in a terminal it gives me errors like SIM error 3005 in some models. Some model may be 2044, 1002, 107, 109. These are the problems. We have explained some basic problems. That SIM 3005 error means format corrupt flag in translator is not read in RAM. We have just basic explained what we have to do in this condition. Maybe change depend on the model, but we have just give the small concept about what we have to do. That is a SIM 2044 error, that is a translatable cannot read. 10 defect list, potential P list, NRG list, new disk may ye problem. 17A if damage, then it will give me 1009. Translator related problem. File 93 damage, then also it will give 2040. 203F, this also seems to be unreadable translator, mainly translator, head or PCB related issues, that will give me the SIM error. Or sometime when most of the case it will give me the LED error. LED error means LED CC, FF like that LED. These are the error codes of LED BD, LED 67, LED BB, BD. These are the error. We have shown some solution also. If LED CC these error come, that may be bad setter, bad translator, short table, clear smart disk process. Terminal access firmware need to upgrades command, check bound rate. P list is damaged, sometimes P list damaged, then also this media cache problem, then also this error come. So these are some basic steps what we have to do when we repair the hard disk. If this error come, maybe you can find on the internet also, Google also, you can copy paste this error, you will get in a forum what is the problem. Normally PCB is removed from HD, otherwise it's head damage like that. Format service area, upload loader, these all are the basic we have explained the. Sometime RAP errors, SMD error, servo error. Servo error, there is different type of servo errors. Servo error means 100.03 means head damage, 835 means LM Rosewood, 95. These are the different error. I have shown you here also there is an error. See, you can see 95005. 95005 in module LM. Okay, 95005. Here is a 95005. 95005. These are the problem. So you can LM Rosewood leave for some time and see may solve. If this error come 95005, may head weak or damage or similar appear once when this we have explained all those details. So this is your head damage, firmware ROM damage service. partial access in nai hard disk. There is an LM series hard disk, there is a partial access. Partial means starting for sectors is showing but remaining sector is not showing. In this condition we have to, already we have seen these cases on the classes, but I am showing you shortly. So when you get any case, you don't have to see all the nodes, you have to step these nodes. If MCMT error, there is a one click repair also. Translator issue, you can regenerate translator. Sometimes no host FIS ready, then you have to do these tasks. Translate, rebuild. Fail to load overlay, this is usually associated with hardware or software. SMI initialize means bad PCB. This firmware failed to load bad PCB, sense code, diagnose. This is a new case, new problems what we have made a case. So these are the some problems and solution step I have given. When you done this course of SEAGATE, then only you will understand what is a translate, rebuild, smart reset, module update, these all things. Okay. Next, see LEDCC error means we have make one file also that you can take this file. SIM error 10 means module 17.8 translator table is damaged. SIM error 2, these also error. These all errors we have given in short. And this is some case studies in a short form. Case study in the short form, not a long form. What a short form? That suppose SEAGATE F3 bad sector repair. How to repair? Then we have to repair the G list and P list. Error 210 LED error aayegi. If there is a LED error, then what we have to do? We have to run this command. SIM error 307 no host FIS ready. In this condition, what we have to do? The steps are given here. Basic step. Okay. One SEAGATE clicking hard drive with 0 capacity. So what we have to do? We have to see the which steps are there. Some more modification is going on. This already explained. I already explained on the top, but here is repeated. So this is your normal PC. We have this some more step detail in what is a smart. This already we have seen in the classes. We have seen the lecture, but this is a short form of case studies. You can go step by step. These are the step. You can go to forum or net. You will get these all details. Okay. These are old hard disk data, old hard disk errors. That is an all RAP, SMP error, relocation error. Some basic step also we have given here. How to fix a busy solution. If busy solution, we have to run this command. Fix LBS 0, we have to run same command. Translate, rebuild. These we have studied some cases here. What we have to do. With virtual translator, smart, these all modules we have explained through this class. So this is a short form of what we have teach till in SEAGATE and how to repair the case. You will understand. So these are some, if the read write error, then what we have to do? Replace the RAP, CAP, like the steps. Some steps are given in this case studies. So depend on your problem, you can go fix long busy. Then what we have to do? Fix partial access. In that what we have to do? We have to run this command, backup these modules and all those things. Step. Okay. Here are some more commands option. You will get this detailed case studies on forum also and in our some notes also. Case studies all. So this is about SEAGATE. SEAGATE common problem. This we will understand after doing the SEAGATE class. Then only you can do these tasks. So these we have given in a short form. So you can see the videos again step by step. So what are the problem and how? What is a basic solution step, small steps about the solution. Okay. Thank you.